Right, I'm here with two of the drummers from two Scots. Obviously, they've just finished their performance. Tam, how do you think it went?
It was an amazing run. Probably the best we've played all season.
Yeah, I'd agree with that. I was watching it from the back. In particular, I enjoyed the dynamics. The dynamics was really good, powerful, what's coming out. Willie, being the lead drummer, what were you thinking before you went on?
I was actually pretty nervous, to be honest, mate. I was nervous. No, I just thought we had a couple of good run-throughs before we went on. If we do that when we go on, whatever happens, it'll be all right. So.
Right, obviously the draw's not been done yet, right, and it's not finished. Right, genuinely, where do you think you should be sitting the day after the day's performance? Now, I seen it, and I thought it was good. So, what are you thinking?
Genuinely, mate, I'm not bothered. After that performance, the lads have enjoyed it, we've enjoyed it, and you know what? To the winning band, whoever it is, when it happens, they deserve it. That's all I've got to say.